Hey everyone, Matt Bush here. You want to make sure that you pay extra special attention because there's a brand new software coming out on February 16th at 11 a.m. that does something that I've only ever seen expensive software do that costs hundreds of dollars. Plus, this will give us a massive advantage and make our services extremely appealing to small businesses, giving you a solid stream of income. It's called GrowViral, and it gives you the ability to turn a small business campaign or your own into an exploding viral campaign. This strategy is so powerful that it totally beats away more conventional methods of social media marketing. So when a business hires you to grow their business on social media, you'll have the secret weapon to get them incredible results while not having to pay for anything yourself. Sounds pretty great, right? GrowViral gives you 3 very specific tools. It gives you the ability to run contests on social media. Just picture this. You're working for a restaurant and you run a campaign where they give away a free meal, selected randomly through Facebook. But here's the catch. When people enter by sharing their email address, which GrowViral also manages for you, by the way, that's right, you don't need to have a separate autoresponder or an email campaign. It's all done inside GrowViral. Every time someone shares the contest, they'll receive additional entries to the contest, okay? So how cool is that? This leads to incredibly viral campaigns where the business simply shares it on their page and just watches the new leads come flying in. But it doesn't stop there, because GrowViral also gives you the ability to give additional prizes, coupons, shirts, whatever, when people do a certain amount of actions as well. Want to give people that share the business's sale a 10% off coupon if they share the link 5 times? Done. Want to give people a 15% coupon when they share the link 10 times? Well, you can do that too. By gamifying it like this, it really gets people hooked. I know it gets me hooked when businesses do this type of thing. You can even have leaderboards for your viral campaigns. How cool is that? I'm pretty excited to use this myself, and I'm so glad I have GrowViral in my software collection. GrowViral will be available on Tuesday, February 16th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, only when you pick this up through me will you also get our exclusive bonuses. Remember, I don't want you buying this and not making money. The whole point of this is to see you invest and then receive a return on that investment that is huge. That's why I'm going to hold your hand and show you exactly how to use GrowViral to set up powerful campaigns. I'll also show you how to sell this to business owners as easily as possible. I've got a few tricks up my sleeve and I can't wait to share them with you. We're also going to give you a website that you can use to sell your GrowViral services from. And of course, we'll be having a special live training where we tie all of this together. I love it when opportunities like this happen. Remember, I've seen something similar to this and it works really well, but it costs 10 times what this does. If you're serious about making money in 2021, be sure to check out GrowViral. 2 huge thumbs up from me, gang. You can learn more below.